Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Nightshade. Comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And it's included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, wireless charging, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this black interior, paneling couple of storage on the bottom, next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, the chrome accent handle. We have the side steps here, the off-road style, and these leather heated seats, super comfortable. And left side will be your vents with your, as well as hitch view, traction control, and this is for your front light bar. Left side will be your voice recognition and volume control, with the right side being your lane centering assist, and as well as your cruise right there, and odometer cluster. And you can access all your vehicle information, including your fuel economy, rest, and as well as your compass, audio, driver assistance, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start and on to the infotainment. So just AM, FM radio, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and as well as built-in navigation and other downloadable apps. And pretty straightforward. You're going to have all of your climate controls on the bottom here, the heated seats, and as well as the heated mirrors, 204-wheel drive with blind spot monitoring, power rear sliding window, USB port, and here for the wireless charger pad down below. A little extra storage. You got the classic e-brake and center console storage there. The passenger side being the same finish, manually adjustable though, chrome accent across, Tacoma badging, speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access your crawl control, center lock, or sorry, your rear locking diff, as well as your power sliding sunroof. So you're going to be 16-inch aluminum wheels on BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires, plastic cladding with sun guards, paint match, kid century door handles and mirror caps there, the TRD off-road badging, as well as the truck here with solid fold 2.0 tonneau cover, trailer hitch with the fifth wheel just below, black lettering, as well as your onboard power with bed liner and tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, getting more paneling and storage next to the speaker, power window with a chrome accent. Up the back, not too bad of legroom for a Tacoma. You're going to have storage behind passenger side with cup holders right there. Again, you got your sliding window with hooks and lamps and handles on the back. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Nightshade, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as leather heated seats, light bar, BF Goodrich KO2 tires, sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.